So my experience at the Excellence Center and in Palestine in general was amazing. From beginning to end, the people here in Palestine, like the volunteers, the students even, or even just like the local merchants in Palestine were just so hospitable and welcoming here.
I came here doing the Law in Palestine program.
I was in the Human Rights
internship program.
Connected with art.
And journalism internship.
And media program.
In women's rights program.
Medical, nursing, stroke humanities program.
I did the Human Rights program, the internship. I stayed for 8 weeks and my experience has been very great.
Really incredible. It was very eye-opening, I would say. I've read a lot about it in my studies.
Well, my family's originally from the Levant area and I've always wanted to give back to the community.
Me and Ben Lovejoy did a lot of interesting excursions, a lot of fun trips.
I was actually very surprised, honestly, how safe I feel in Hebron.
I've been at the Excellence Center for a full month. I've enjoyed my time immensely. I was here studying with the journalism and media program.
During my time here, I took intensive Arabic classes for 1 month, and then I did a bunch of visits to local businesses and organizations.
I was attending a technology program, volunteering. It was a short-time volunteering, so I was here for a week and a half.
So I came here to work with the women's rights program, and as I was starting to meet women through the center, I kept hearing that they wanted to have their stories told and their stories shared outside of Palestine.
So best thing about this program is about seeing a lot of new things and making ties with different people, like having relationship with the Palestinians and also like making friendships with the foreigners too, like across the world.
I went to multiple refugee camps. I met with multiple different lawyers. One of the lawyers was a Sharia law lawyer. The other one did multiple things.
Yes, so I chose to come to Palestine to learn more about Palestinian culture.
Because I've been studying Arabic for a number of years and wanted to continue my fluency, and it's easier to learn when you're immersed in a country that speaks the language.
Palestine is amazing. It's wonderful, it's beautiful, the people are the friendliest people, they're kind, there's so much love and beauty here.